In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. By the end, you'll be able to place the same content in several folders quickly using simple keyboard shortcuts, which is perfect for organizing projects that belong to more than one category. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and landing on the home page. This is your central hub where you can see recent files, suggested items, and quick access to your folders. If your view looks different, that's okay. Everything we need is still available from here. Next, open My Drive. You can click My Drive in the left sidebar to expand it, then click again to open the main folder. This is where your personal files and folders live. If you prefer, switch between grid and list views to make items easier to see, but either view will work for what we're doing. Now select the file or folder you want to place in multiple locations. Click it once to highlight it. If you're navigating with the keyboard, use the arrow keys to move the selection until the correct item is highlighted. With the item selected, copy it. Press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. You won't see anything move yet. That's expected. This simply places a copy on your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you need. A small tip: if you accidentally copy the wrong thing, just click the correct file and copy again. Navigate to your first destination folder. For example, if you have a folder called Documents, click to open it. Once inside that folder, paste the item by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. In a moment, you should see the copied file appear. That confirms your first placement is done. To save the same file to another folder, go back to My Drive or use the breadcrumb path at the top to move to the next folder you want. Open that folder and paste again with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Repeat this process for each additional folder where you want the item to live. Keep in mind, using copy and paste creates separate copies. Each one takes